Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to fold Chevy Traverse seats. We'll begin by focusing on the third row seats, which are designed for easy access and quick storage. Then, we'll move to the second row, explaining how to create an expansive, flat cargo area. This process is straightforward, allowing you to quickly adapt your vehicle for any adventure or task, whether it's moving furniture or packing for a long trip. To fold the third row seats, first locate the fabric strap positioned on the back of each seat. Give this strap a firm pull upwards. You'll hear a click as the latch releases. Once released, simply push the seat back forward. It will fold down smoothly, creating a flat surface. Repeat this for the other third row seat to achieve a wide, unobstructed cargo area, perfect for larger items. Now, let's tackle the second row seats. You'll find a release lever, typically located on the side of the seat near the bottom. Pull this lever, and the seat back will easily fold forward, laying flat. For even more cargo length, you can often slide the entire folded seat forward. This creates an impressive amount of space, transforming your Traverse into a versatile hauler for almost anything you need to transport. Before folding any seats, always ensure that seatbelts are unbuckled and clear of the folding mechanism to prevent damage. Also, quickly check under the seats for any small items that could obstruct the folding process. Once both rows are folded, you'll have a truly expansive and flat cargo area, ready to accommodate everything from moving boxes to camping gear. It's a simple, effective way to maximize your vehicle's utility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.